Toka video. New Toka video.
You want fan on?
Okay, Addie. Well, everybody, this video is for Abby because I'm gonna be building a house and making it and decorating it a cat house for Addie because she's my cousin and she loves cats. So I'm just gonna be making a cat house for her. So when she comes over, I can show her the cat house. And everybody that's watching me, watch this video and you can see all of the cat stuff I put into this house. Because I love cats, she loves cats, we all love cats. So cat video today. So I told my cousin that I'm doing a Toka video. So yeah, I'm doing one. And I was texting her. So I'm gonna text her again and tell her to say hi through voice message. Say hi through voice message to my fans. Say hi through voice message to my fans. That was me. Okay, here's the house I'm gonna be making. I bought it. It was $3 or something like that. Put it that there. Delete. Okay, let's start making the pound. Hey, you just sat down on the phone. Let's start making the pound first. Because there's a pound. So, I'm going to make one. Well, it's like a back room. So, I'm going to make it. Of course, it's going to be cat stuff. So, I add a cat plushie in there. Add a cat toy. Add a fish toy. And then I need to add this cute little thingy. That for the cat, and I'm gonna put a cat in here later. We'll add a little teddy bear for the cat, and then we'll add a balloon or something in here for the cat. And some of this stuff was for Valentine's Day, so. What is that, one gate? Man, we'll add 2 gates. Just 2. Or possibly 3. Put it like that, there. And then plants. Do they have like a cat plant? Okay, yeah, they do. Put that right here. Now the bathroom. The bathroom is dog themed because it is a dog themed bathroom. They made it dog themed. Just pretend this was a cat. Well, it's just yellow, so it's gonna be a cat. Or the add this in. And I'm gonna add the sink. And I'm gonna add the kitty. I'm going to switch this around with the sink. And I'm going to put a little mirror by the sink. For the sink. Nothing in there. Cat related. Cat trash can. I think that's it for the bathroom. Now the bedroom. We'll add a cat twin-size bed. And then we'll add this little cat bed for a pet cat. And then we'll add a cat rug. And is there anything? Oh, yeah, cat bed. So we'll get rid of this cat bed and put that cat bed. We'll put it right there. Cat picture.
You still really want to go to Walmart?
Cat picture. Cat side table.
Me and you.
And
I was wondering if we could just take in town and go to market something for dinner.
no, we're gonna go get what's it called? Sonic.
Dollar General.
There we go. Hey, can we get that squishmallow? living room now. The living room. Mom, can we get that squishmallow? Can I get that squishmallow?
Hello?
Can I get that squishmallow, Mama?
Wait, what are you doing?
Mom.
Why are you doing this?
Can I get that squishmallow?
What? No. 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 I hate having Princess weight down on you like that.
Then put this part right here.
I want another book. You'll have one tomorrow. Yeah, but that's not today. We can. I really want to try to figure out
The
this whole
counterpiece.
Do you know what kind of fire stick? It wasn't working on the fire stick back there.
Cat thingy, cat food thingy.
No, it doesn't. It canceled off. For some reason, it's not working. I'll check my t-shirt too.
And when you go to food, there's a little waffle. I could put in the waffle thingy. Let me turn it on day. Let's see. Okay. Now we'll go back here. We'll put cat treat. For the cat. We'll put a little cat picture in here.
Someone smells. Sorry.
No,
I think it was you.
it wasn't. Then at that carpet. I'm just using stuff from it.
Hallelujah. So we can watch High School Musical tonight. Hey, hey, hey! Stop!
And yeah, that is my cat house. So we got the cat area for the cats. Then I have the bathroom,
Seriously.
the bedroom, the living room, and the kitchen. So yeah, there's my cat house. Oh wait, outside.
It's disgusting.
Where are the puppy paws? Because it's not a puppy house, it's a cat house. I need to find this stuff. We'll put on a cat radio. A cat Scentsy, they need to go in there. Here we go, here's some stuff. Got a little cat paw. Some little training things to train your cats. Right there. I need to find the mud pile I can get.
Stella. She just took that from the room.
Here we go.
Right here.
Put the mud pile right there, and we'll put these cat paws.
Okay, that's enough.
Paws go right
I know,
there.
bring it here.
And then we'll add another cat.
I need to be like your last night here, or with us. Have a good, fun girls' night instead of you're getting your book all night. I'm gonna stay until Sunday. Are you? Cool. Yeah, I sent a book here, so I have to wait for it to get here now. No, so that's still. Because it's not gonna get here until like 10 p.m. It could get here until 10 p.m. tomorrow, so I want to get a book today. Stella.
So here's a.
Well, you could have just fun with us. We'll watch High School Musical 2 and possibly 3. Okay, and I can read once we go to bed. That's what I've been doing at night, 'cause I'm tired of being on my phone.
Fireplace.
I literally have nothing else to do, Alexis. Besides sit on my phone, and I don't like just sitting on my phone. Stella! Stop.
Statue. Well, just because maybe some people like dogs, so we'll add a dog garden statue and a little dog plushie. But that's it for dogs.
They don't have Pauline Hoover Books at Dollar General. No, I know, but like I'm just saying, they have those things at Dollar General. Stop, Stella.
Okay, there is my cat house. Of course, the back for the cats. Then the bathroom. Then the bedroom. And the living room and kitchen and outside. So, if you like cats, comment down below. And if you like dogs, I might use the starter home for Tokapoka and make a dog home on the starter home though. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, put a like on it. And if you love cats, put a comment. Cats. and Addie, if you watch this video, I know you love cats.